Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Harmony One. It's currently down 8.6% over the last 1 month. It's down 80% over the last 1 year. What's the realistic price expectation for Harmony One in 2026? Are we going to drop to new lows? We're pumping to higher prices. How high can we possibly go? We look at Harmony One's performance against the US dollar. We look at Harmony's performance against Bitcoin, Harmony's performance against Ethereum, and we'll also look at Harmony's market cap, which currently sits at $32 million. Right now, sentiment is slowly improving in the cryptocurrency market. How will that affect the price of Harmony? We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Harmony currently trades around $0.0021 with a market cap of $3.2 million, total supply of 14.9 billion tokens, and Harmony all-time high came in on 26th of October 2021. Traded for as high as $0.37. Right now is down 99% from that all-time highs. The altcoin market, guys, is very, very volatile. Volatility in the altcoin market is a future, it's not a bug. The reason why I like these altcoins is that, yes, in the last 1 year, they could dump 90%. The inverse is also true. They could easily go crazy by pumping to the moon. Look at what happened. Look at what Harmony did from the COVID sell-off in March of 2020 to the top that came in for it in January of 2022. It went up for 679 days. It went up by more than 26,000% in the process. That's crazy if you think about it, guys. $1,000 invested in Harmony at the bottom would have returned more than $269,000 at the top. Yes, it was not a smooth ride to the top, but that's how altcoins perform when the market is bullish. The inverse is also true. From the all-time highs, we saw Harmony dump aggressively to gobbling town for a while. It was just down 97% from the all-time highs before it went for that final leg down. Right now, it's down more than 99% from the previous all-time highs. Key levels to watch out for in 2026. These are levels where we might get rejected if we rally towards those levels. We might consolidate there. We have seen Harmony have major reactions at these levels in the past. The $0.0093 level is one of those important levels. We saw Harmony bouncing there since December of 2022. We bounced there again. October of 2023, we came back there in August of 2024. And in 2025, we had multiple bounce there. Finally give up the ghost in September of 2025. Since then, it has been a trip down to Goblin Town. The bears have been very, very bearish. The bears are very, very pessimistic, and you can see that the bulls are trying to win back the market. The last few days have seen little optimism return back to the market. That's why you can see even Harmony that has been down bad over 80% over the last 1 year is up 7.9% over the last 1 week. It's currently outperforming Bitcoin. It's currently outperforming Ethereum. That's good news to hear. Bitcoin and Ethereum are up just 5% and 5.1% and 4.3% respectively over the last 1 week. Harmony has gone up, outperformed them. That's why I'll be expecting Harmony to continue on that trend. I was expecting to give us one big pump to the upside, and that level we talked about in the previous video was the $0.028 level. We saw Harmony getting there in May of 2019. We saw Harmony trading there since 2022. This is the band where Harmony has been trading. It was those 2 times where we rallied past those bands in March of 2022 and in March of 2024 and December of 2024. If not, Harmony has spent the majority of its price action around the $0.0093 level and the $0.028 region. And from where we're currently trading right now, for Harmony to get there, we need to see a big pump to the upside. And this big pump is only possible because these altcoins are really down bad. Harmony need to pull off more than 1,200% pump to the upside. If we continue going higher, we need to see a big pump. Remember, when these altcoins start pumping, FOMO in the cryptocurrency market is very, very crazy. A lot of market participants just start buying, expecting to continue going up forever. The best way to win the game, guys, is to have a plan and to follow that plan to the T. If you plan during the bear market, that's when you make most of the money. The bull market, you're going to be shouting kumbaya. You're going to be happy you made those right decisions. For Harmony, the $0.048 level will be pivotal. Rally past that, it's going to be clear skies. Rally past that at some point in time in 2026, it will be one more step towards the all-time highs. The all-time highs for Harmony came in way back in 2022. We saw it trading for as high as $0.35. From where Harmony is currently trading right now, For us to get to new all-time highs, we need to see it pump by more than 16,000%, which is outrageous, which is crazy if you think about it. The Harmony has done that in the past. We used to say it's not going to do that again in the future. It might not be a smooth ride to the top, but if you can picture what will happen at the end, if you can think about what will happen if we get that elusive altcoin season pump, when market participants are FOMO into altcoins, when they're selling their Bitcoin, selling their Ethereum, running to the altcoin market, don't be shocked to see Harmony make a move for the previous all-time highs. In that case, $1,000 right now invested in Harmony should return more than $164,000. Outrageous if you ask me. We're into stomach the pains, into stomach the volatility. Where you can get some Harmony tokens for yourself. You can get some on Binance, on OKX, on Bybit, on BitGet, on Get.io, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Harmony tokens right there. Harmony is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized application. The network aims to innovate the way decentralized applications work by focusing on random state sharding, which allows creating blocks in seconds. According to the project website, Harmony is expected to introduce cross-sharding contracts and cross-chain infrastructure by the end of 2021. Now, look at Harmony's performance against Bitcoin. We had its own time. It had its own time where it was pumping aggressively to the upside from 2021 till the end of 2022. Harmony went up by more than 5,000% against Bitcoin. That's a crazy pump for it to have in 1 year. I told you guys earlier in the video, all coins are very volatile. Volatility here is the future, it's not a bug. So it's not a shock to see Harmony dump into Goblin Town ever since. Almost erasing all the gains it has made, it's down 99% from its all-time highs. The next few months are going to be very, very critical and very, very awesome. I'm expecting Harmony to pull off one big move to the upside that will see it rally up by more than 2,000%, hopefully, maybe even higher than that. That's what happens when the altcoins get bullish. That's say a lot of market participants start flipping their Bitcoin back into the altcoin market, flipping their Ethereum. Harmony has gone to new all-time lows against Bitcoin. It has gone to new all-time lows against Ethereum. And historically, it's better to buy when they are new all-time lows, because the lower it goes, the cheaper it becomes. The lower it goes, the better entry you have. And the higher it goes, guys, the more expensive it becomes. The higher it goes, the more you should start thinking selling for some sweet profit. So don't be shocked to see a lot of whales flipping their Bitcoin, their Ethereum into the altcoin market, and those altcoins are ending up with Harmony. The last time we saw Harmony dumping from an all-time highs in 2019. By the time it started its pump in 2021, it was down 96% from its all-time highs. The pump didn't last long. The pump is always quick to the upside. We saw a pump in 63 days where Harmony went up by more than 2,900%. And right now, sentiment is slowly improving in the cryptocurrency market. That's why I'm expecting all coins to pump aggressively, including Harmony. Look at Harmony's market cap, dumped to as low as $32 million. Thankfully, there's support there. But the next key level will be the $140 million level, the $466 million region, before we face Harmony's previous all-time highs in market cap valuation. We saw Harmony's all-time highs coming in around the $4.3 billion level. For Harmony's market cap to rally back to $4.3 billion, that will require more than a 12,900% pump to the upside, which means $1,000 invested in Harmony right now should return more than $129,000. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. How bullish are you on Harmony? Are you still accumulating more Harmony in your portfolio? And when will you sell for some sweet profit? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.